Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to our EVS class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 9, Dear Drops. Students, in this lesson we are going to learn about importance of water for all living things. Do you know that what does living things means? Things which can grow, move, breathe, and reproduce are called living things. Yes, the things which can grow, move here and there, breathe, and reproduce are called living things. Students, look at the picture. What do we see in the picture? Some animals and birds in the picture we see, and they are drinking water. It means that animals and birds also need water for drinking. Now, students, see the picture. In the picture, the girl is watering the plants. It means that plants also need water. Yes, plants also need water to live. It means living things, plants, and animals need water to live. All living things, be it plants or animals, need water to live. The water we use every day is fresh water. Yes, the water we are using every day for drinking, eating, cooking, the water we use is a fresh water. Now, students, let's learn about importance of water in our day-to-day life. Water is very important in our day-to-day life. So let's say it now. We use this water for drinking and cooking. We also need water for bathing, washing clothes, cleaning, and so on. Yes, we use water for drinking, cooking. We also need water for bathing, washing our clothes, and cleaning. See the picture. We use water for drinking. If we feel thirsty, we need to drink water. So, water we use for our drinking purpose also. We also use water for cooking food. We need water for cooking food. We need water for washing our vegetables. We also need water for preparation of food. Without water, we cannot prepare a food. So, water is used for cooking purpose. We use water for bathing every day. We use water for cleaning vessels. We need water for washing our vessels, means cleaning our vessel, the dirty vessels we clean every day. For that purpose, we need water. We also need water for mopping the floor. We need water for cleaning our house. If we do not clean our house will become dirty and it will be full of dust. So, we are mopping the floor every day. So, we need water for mopping the floor. We need water for washing clothes. We use clothes every day. We do not use the same clothes every day. We use different clothes every day. After using the clothes, we wash it. So, for washing our clothes, we need water. We also need water to grow the plants in our gardens and fields. Yes, in our garden, there are many kinds of different plants and we need water to grow them. So, water is required for plants in our gardens and fields. Plants and animals also need water. Plants need water for making food. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. Some plants and animals can live only in water. Yes, plants and animals also need water to live. Plants need water for making their food and animals need water for drinking and bathing. Some plants and animals only live in water. So, students, see the picture. The girl is watering the plants and plants require water to live. Students, See this picture also. Animals need water to drink and bath. Animals also need water for drinking and bathing. Some plants and animals only live in water. For example, you must have been seen fish. Fish is living in the water. Same as some plants is also there. They also live only in the water and they require water to live. So students, up to now what we have seen that all living things need water. What will happen if there is no water? Let's find out. Students, if plants do not get water, they will start drying. And if they do not get water for many days, they will dry and die. Yes, if the plants will not get water, they will start drying. And if they will not get water for many days, what will happen? They will dry and they will die. Students, what will happen if we don't drink water for longer time? Do you know that? Let's see. If we do not get water for longer time, we may feel thirsty and we may fall ill. Students, we have seen that we also need water for bathing every day. We need to keep ourselves clean by taking a bath. If there is no water, we cannot take a bath and we may become sick because of germs. So, we need water every day for bathing. Animals also need water to live. And if animals do not get water to drink, they too will become sick and then they will die. Water is very important in our day-to-day life. We use water for many purposes. We have seen that. So, we should not waste water. We should save water. Students, after drinking water from the water bottle, if you do not need that water, you are not going to use that water, what do you do with that leftover water? Do you throw it away, that water? We should not throw that leftover water. We can give leftover water to the plants. Yes, we can give the leftover water to the plants. We can also give leftover water to animals. So students, up to now we are talking about water. But do you know that from where do we get this water? We all get water from rain. Yes, the water we use every day, that water we get from the rain. But students, what will happen if there is a little rain? Suppose if there is little rain, then what will happen? Let's see. Sometimes, due to the absence of rain, for a longer time a place may become completely dry, and this is called a drought. Yes, sometimes due to the absence of rain, for a longer time a place may become a fully dry, and this dry place is called a drought. During a drought, the land dries up and cracks appears on the land. Plants dry up as they do not get water. Yes, during the drought, land dries up and the cracks appears on the land, and plants also do not get water, so they also start drying. Due to the absence of rains, animals also do not get water to drink, and animals also start dying as they feel thirsty and they do not get water to drink. They fall sick and they start dying one by one as they do not get water to eat or to drink. If our bodies do not get enough water, our memories may be affected. Yes, if we do not get enough water to drink, our memories may be affected. It means that we may not remember the things properly. The need of water is not same for all living things. Some animals and plants need more water than other. It means that the need for the water is not same for everyone. Some animals or plants may need more water. Some animals or plant may need less water. Some animals can live with little or no water. Let us see some examples. Students, see the above picture. This is a kangaroo rat, and kangaroo rats do not need to drink water. They live in dry and hot places. Yes, kangaroo rats do not need to drink water. They live in a dry and hot places. They save water from the food which they eat. For example, seeds. Students, see the above picture. It is a camel. Camels need less water than other animals. They drink a large amount of water at a time, and they can go for a long time without water. Yes, camel need less amount of water than other animals. Students, see the picture. Which animal is there in the picture? Yes, it is a elephant, and elephants require a lot amount of water to drink. They also require water to bath and cool their bodies. Yes, elephant require a lot amount of water to drink every day, and they also require water to take a bath and to cool their bodies. In the picture, plant is given and the name of the plant is cactus. Plant like cactus grow in dry areas and need less water to grow than the other plant. Plants like cactus grow in a dry area and it require less amount of water to grow than other plants. So the students, the need for water depends on the size of the body and types of activity performed. Yes, the need of the water is depending on the size of the body and the activity which is performed by you daily. We may need more water while playing outdoor games. After playing outdoor games, we may feel thirsty and we may require to drink more amount of water. If we sit idle, we may not feel thirsty. It means that if we are sitting idle and not doing any work or activity, sitting idle for hours and hours, we may not feel thirsty. Students, do you know that the need of water depends on the climate and the season? Yes, the need of the water depends on the climate and the season. In summer season, due to hot, we may feel more thirsty and we may require more amount of water. And students, due to cold season, we may feel less thirsty in the winter season. So, students, did you understand this lesson? Dear drops, yes, what we have learned? We have learned about the importance of water. We have learned that how water is important for many purposes. Without water, we cannot do some things such as cooking, bathing, washing clothes, and so on. So, water is very important. Water is also important for all the living things like animals, plants, and human beings. All of us, we need water. Without water, we cannot live. So, water is very important. So, you should not waste water. You should save water. So, the students, I hope you all have understood this lesson. Thank you.